Right, we're doing a basic pasta sauce this evening. I've got some oil in my pan, I'm just getting heated up now. First thing I'm going to add is a little bit of garlic just to get the oils released. You'll always have garlic as a student, it's one of the main things you need, garlic and onion in any pasta sauce, that's what I've kind of found out. Right, let's let that cook. And because we like it spicy, I'm going to add a little bit of chili to the oil just so everything releases and mixes in with each other. Now, you wouldn't typically do this, but I like to add just a little bit of mixed Italian herbs in as well. Just so everything can get a bit toasty and the fragrance is just really nice. Now, to avoid the garlic burning, what you next want to add is just some onion. We'll let that cook along for a little bit. Just let it brown a little bit. You don't want to overly burn it because you've still got a lot of cooking to do. You've still got to cook inside the sauce. And obviously, now, we had a roast the other day, we just had a roast pork, and you can add anything you want at this point, anything you want in your pasta sauce, but it does have to it has to reheat again, sorry. So we're going to get that in there, and just get everything nice and warmed up. Because you want to get it all to a point when it's nice and sort of ready to go ahead before you turn the heat down a bit and add the tomatoes to get the sauce going. Don't forget to season. You'll add more herbs later in the process as well. You're just trying to get your building blocks first. Right, next we've got the mushrooms. We'll get them. Right, so now that we've got all of our ingredients in our pan and the heat's just been turned down a little bit, we're going to let that sit and just let that cook. We're going to add another tin of chopped tomatoes just because we're cooking for a little bit more and it's not saucy enough. There we go. So this is what you're going to have. All your ingredients in. It's a tomato-based sauce. You can use carbonara sauce. We've done it in the past before. Just anything you've got in your cupboard as a student, which hopefully you'd have your garlic and your onion because those are important. Now, at this point, don't forget to season. Nice bit of pepper, some more salt, and some mixed Italian herbs, which is just basil, thyme and oregano. You can buy them anywhere at any convenience store. And just get that mixed in. And once it's been mixed in, just let it cook. Wait until your pasta's done and then incorporate it into the rest of the sauce. There we go.